Welcome everyone, today I will show you how to add your Gmail account to Outlook, and by linking your Google account email address to Outlook account, you can actually manage all your emails in one place. You can do everything you normally do with your Gmail right from your Outlook account. So let's dive into the tutorial. First of all, open Outlook app on your smartphone. And to integrate your Gmail account and Outlook account for seamless email management, here click on Add Account. Now at the top you will see your default Gmail account if you are using an Android phone, but if you are using an iPhone you might have different option here. But as I'm gonna be connecting a different Gmail account to my Outlook account, here I'm gonna click on Skip. And now I will have this option Add Google Account. So let's click on Add Google Account. And here again it will tell you to choose an account, but as I'm gonna be linking a different Gmail account to my Outlook email account, here I'm gonna select Add Another Account. And now let me enter the email address and let's click on Next. And then here I'm gonna enter my password, and again here let's click on Next and let's select on Yes, I am in. And then here let's click on I agree. And there it is, sign into Microsoft Apps and Services. By continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preference, profile picture with Microsoft Apps and Services, especially with Outlook. And that's how you can manage your Gmail account from your Outlook account. So here let's click on Continue. Now here you have to select the checkboxes, and here you can read select what Microsoft Apps and Services can access. So as you're gonna be accessing your Gmail account through Microsoft Outlook, here you have to select the first option, read, compose, send, and permanently delete all your email from Gmail. So as we are going to be do that using Outlook, here we're gonna be selecting this checkbox. And if you want to do the same for contacts, Google Drive, just using your Outlook account, you can select on these checkboxes as well. Now let's scroll down to bottom and let's click on Continue. And there it is. Now we are in the same page again, but as I had selected the first option, it is not being shown here. That means we need to select all these checkboxes in order to access Google account, especially Gmail, from your Outlook account. So to successfully add your Gmail account to Outlook and manage all your emails in one place in Outlook, here click on Select All, and then again scroll down to bottom, and again click on Continue. And then Outlook will authenticate everything. And once the authentication finished, you will be landed in this page. Now you will be again asked to add another account. Here at the bottom left, select on Maybe Later. Now here you have to enable notification. So once you receive any emails on your Outlook email address or your Gmail address, you will be notified. So here select on Turn On and then click on Allow. And there it is, I can now manage my Google account Gmail address right from my Outlook account. And here you can see all the emails that I have recently received on my Gmail account. And now I can manage everything from my Outlook account. And if I click on the Google account at the top left, you can see here I have inbox, drafts, send, junk, all these options, just like Gmail. And that's pretty much it is. That's how you can connect your Gmail account to Outlook account, and you can do everything, send email, receive emails, you can manage your contacts, Google Drives, just using your Outlook account. And if you want to add more Gmail account, you can do that as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to change your Microsoft account email address, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.